Welcome back, y'all. So this is my second part, or my second video to this overall challenge. Basically just going to keep it going, documenting my journey as I continue to trade day by day, and then eventually my withdrawal, and then eventually my next challenge, which would be the 50K. So yeah, I'm going to be documenting this whole thing, but this is my first trade of the day. I believe that this one worked out, and I took some quick profits on it. Very, very tight stop loss. That's why I was able to risk half a lot. And yeah, I was really risking $25 on here, if you look at the numbers. But yeah, basically, or $21, I guess. But basically, I'm looking to take another buy. I took one, or I had my limit placed on the 80, so at this point we're just waiting for that. And as you'll see in a minute, I ended up placing two buy entries because I was very, very, very confident on this position, and I didn't want to miss out on anything, right? So as you'll see, I have that double buy position. At this point, I only had the 1 minute impulse marked up. I didn't look at the 10-minute structure. This was definitely one of the mistakes that I made today. I tend to be too stuck on the 1 minute, so I only make 1 minute profits. But that also means I only make 1 minute losses too, which is very nice because you're able to take very, very tight trades off of the 1 minute. So as you see, the trade is it's bouncing pretty well off of the 80. It's both my positions right there. And yeah, total I was risking about $50 on this. Each trade was about 1 point away from the stop loss. So yeah, I was getting very nervous. I was about to close this trade out, just super anxious. It was 8:01, and I know the biggest moves happen at the hourly. So I end up not closing it, and I just let it ride for a bit. Now here's me trading live, and you guys can finally hear me on the recording. Alright, y'all, so just realized that I still didn't have my microphone on. I gotta be checking that every single day. But yeah, so basically this is what my trades have been looking like for the day. One win, one loss, you know how it goes. And yeah, I'm in this one right now, so we'll see how it goes. Quick reminder, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I've been only trading for a couple of years now. I'd be the last person to ask how to invest your money. Don't take this as trading is easy. You can make money every day. I'm simply sharing my journey and my process of how I'm going to become a profitable Forex trader, and I hope that you guys enjoy. I'm going to take one of them out right here, just like that. Let the other one run. I honestly do see it continuing to go up, but we got to think long term here. It's not about this one trade. Everything can't just rely on this one trade. If I'm a good trader and if I'm consistent, then I can do it over and over again. So take the money. Now we're looking at 213 for the day. And if this hits TP, then we'll be looking at 360 again. And I'll probably cut my day there unless I see a perfect setup. So let's see this thing take profit. All right, so I guess you could say I was wrong in the moment, but it doesn't feel like it. 84 bucks in profit doesn't feel wrong to me, but yeah, I'm yanking this. Thank you for the money. Boom, that was a good trade. Very, very close to my my take profit right there, but it doesn't have to touch that, as well as it is in this overbought zone on the 1 minute. So I mean, it doesn't mean much, but I decided to get out. I'm happy with my profits. Could have been more money. I don't really care. We're just focused on growth. So let's keep this thing rolling. Hopefully I find another nice setup. All right, so this is my next trade setup that I saw. saw this massive drop, right? Massive drop on the 1 minute, which didn't break all structure, but it did break a couple, or I guess 3 lows over here. So measured it out. We're in the 80 zone, and yeah, I put $50 up. $50 to risk for this trade. So in retrospect, I probably shouldn't have entered this. Looking at the 1 minute again, as you see, we just have this strong bullish trend right here, and until this is broken, it's not a real good time to enter, right? You understand? Until we're starting on the 1 minute at least to break structure to the downside, I probably should have waited. The trade still could work out. It's in the 80 zone, but just for next time for you guys out there, you really want to wait till price is starting to, okay, you see how it's each of these lows are being respected, nothing is passing that, so that means it's still going up. I didn't see this. I was looking more at the 5 minute and the 15, so I could measure this out. And then yeah, I missed that on the 1 minute, so that's okay. If I end up losing this, at least I took a lesson from it. So yeah, at the end of the day, you know, it is what it is, right, boys? So yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention to the 1 minute order flow, and that's $50 right there. That's a loss. You know, you gotta realize that. And at least I know why it happened, right? At least I know that I got into the entry without all of my signals. You know what I'm saying? It's not just, damn, I'm down $50. No, I did something wrong. I didn't read the market right. So we have another trade here. This one, what I've noticed with this, so yes, it's on a downtrend. Yes, it is starting to show bullish intention on a downtrend. But what I noticed is if you back out to the hour 4, okay, this did its job. This leg that we're on did its job. Broke this structure, let us all know that on the hour 4, we're going down overall. We should look for sells in this area up here. But that means right now we're most likely going to buy, especially since we respected this low again, did not break lower when we could have. We broke this low, and now we're continuing up. So this is very, very, very like a technical buy because it's going against order flow, but this is a short buy. This is a very short-term buy where I'm looking to buy this up to a point of interest to sell from and get the fuck out. So I see essentially I caught this thing at the 80. I didn't even measure this out. It's just in my vision. So I dropped down, touched the 80, and I caught it in that zone. Let's see. Now I guess the logical take profit would be up here. I'm going to drop it down to 900. So as you see, it's dropping against us, but it hasn't broken that low right here, this immediate low. If anything, it seems to be respecting the low, but we won't know until the candle closes. So another minute, guys. Alrighty, the 1 minute closed in our favor, and it respected the low. So ultimately, we're looking to make a new high. If it does, I'm basically just gonna stop looking at this and I'll check in like 30 minutes. As you saw, my take profit is pretty far. So this one would be a nice banger trade. Probably gonna check back at win or lose. Not gonna keep doing these little random updates. All right, so unfortunately, as you see, I took that loss back to back. So at this point, I am done for the day. You know, we're looking at over 2% profit. My goal is to hit 2 to 5% profit every day. And yeah, so we're above that. This is what it looks like to end a day up. So here's the painful reality of trading. My one successful setup on gold would have been 150 from the first one, 150 from the first one, and then my second trade would have been $500 right now. Basically, I'd be up 500 right now. It's one of the painful, realities of trading. I took out at 53. I took out at this first zone because I know gold likes to mess around and just freaking keep on. So I thought it would give me another entry, and it just took off, went 20 points from my position. And yeah, this is just one of those things where you got to accept it. I said I'm done for the day, so I'm done for the day. But this is one of the things you gotta just take note of and basically be ready for tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna just let my move ride until price starts to look like this. This is a distribution. That's a nice, rejection, or it looks like it's starting to do something that could possibly be a reversal. So at this point, it's a great time to get out. This, way too early. Even though, I think taking that first half would have been very smart. My TP1, I should have taken it at my TP1, my first position. And then, yeah, close the second one up here in massive profits. Unfortunately, we can't always get exactly what we want, even when the market gives it to us, because we don't see exactly what is going to happen. But next time, essentially, I caught the buy. So next time, what do? I take out half of my position, or if I have two positions running, I'll take one position out at the TP1 in case it comes back down. I'll get it again, and I'll let the other one ride until it starts to. This looks like it's starting to do something, so this would be a potential area to get out, but it's very hard to tell. It has to basically break this low. It would have to break this low right here for me to want to get out here even. So this is just a lesson that you got to learn for next time, Hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day. So unfortunately, guys, I went against myself and trying to take this thing down again. And yeah, this is my live experience of that happening. Fucking mad at myself. But yeah, this is real life, guys. This is real fucking life. And no, I'm not perfect. So I decided to keep this in here anyway, because this is what happens when you go against your own word. Regardless of if the trade is right or not, you're gonna fuck up somehow, because you're going against yourself. If you're not 100% confident in yourself and your word, you're gonna lose. This is unfortunately a live example of that. So I really want to stress out there, guys, like, this is not an easy journey. You guys are gonna see me have a whole losing day eventually. You guys are gonna see me have to stop at $150 negative. So this is a whole journey, a whole process. And all I can say is I need to do better tomorrow. I learned so much today on where I could do better. But yeah, guys, anyway, I hope that you were able to learn something from this. Hope that you're able to see that I'm a human, not a robot. Hope that you were able to get some enjoyment, get some motivation out of this video. Anyway, see you next time.